be fun to make some bubbles. But if you've got some already made on hand from the store, it's okay. You can use that too. Well, I can't even think of anyone who does not like bubbles. You all like bubbles. Even my cats love bubbles. I have right here the recipe. It's going to take some water and some dish detergent, some corn syrup, and a little something different, some glycerin. And you can get this at any of the drugstores. Mom will know. And a little note, I actually use warm water, and that will help dissolve that corn syrup a little faster. And you gently, gently, gently mix it. Let it sit for a couple of hours, even better, overnight. And again, that will allow all the suds to kind of settle down. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and pour it in. Do you know what makes a bubble? I found out from reading a book. Bubbles are made from that film. When we blow it out, and it joins together, and the air on the inside is what makes the big bubble. And when it dries out, then you get the pop, pop. And you can use lots of things around the house to make bubbles. Bubble wand usually comes in the bottles that you get at the store. Ooh, that was kind of cool. Now I just took a plastic glass, and again, let Mom do these kinds of things. She's going to bore a little hole, make sure it's above where your liquid is. Insert your straw, and then the straw is sitting in the solution, as you can see right there. And then you can begin to pretty silly. You can even take a little straw. And juice can, right, from the store. Again, let the adult make the holes. Again, slowly. I wonder how big we can get them. So what I took were some beads, and of course pipe cleaner, and you just follow that like that, and just twist, twist, and you add your beads. Okay, so then, voila, bubble wand. Let's see, does it work? I just want to make sure. Now you know the drill. If it works, you go yay. If it doesn't work, you still say yay. All right, here we go. Oh, that was, wow. What about this one? I used with pipe cleaner again. Just put it around the popsicle stick and some duct tape. So, duct tape, you can use whatever color you want. Wrap it around. Just gave me more to hold on to. Same deal. Wow, that was, whoa, did you see that? All right, I'm ready for a mega one. Okay, I took 2 straws. I linked some yarn, and I'm going to see how that works. What? Oh, that was huge. Now, how about making sort of a snake one? That was just one of these bottles, and we cut a bottle. And then you put the towel and a rubber band. Here we go. Here comes the fun part. You got to take the top off. Here we go. All right. See if it works. So we'll lower it in, get it all nice and wet, and then we'll blow. Is it cool? Oh, wow. Whoa. That is awesome. You know, when you go to the store and you get your oranges and lemons and they have the little netting. Well, I took that netting and I cut it in pieces, wrapped it around the bottle again, and put a little duct tape to secure it. Oh my goodness! Oh, it don't. Oh, it's still going. Oh, how much fun is, I even caught one. Oh, this one flies water. Wonder what kind of bubbles that'll make. Ooh. When you make a lot of suds in there, you're gonna need to let it rest because it's hard to make bubbles if there's lots of suds. Some books like How to Make Bubbles or just some fun stories of bubbles. Amazing. Let me know if you use any of this, if you make the bubbles, if you choose different apparatuses to do bubbles. We would love to see your pictures and we'd love to see you. Come on by the library. Take care.